In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two or more cells into one. Whether you're tidying up a spreadsheet or organizing data more effectively, merging cells can be a handy tool. So, let's dive into the process, step by step. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the cells you'd like to merge. Take a moment to consider which cells you need to combine, as merging changes the layout of your sheet. Click your mouse at the starting cell and then drag it across to include all the cells you want to unite. This ensures you've selected the full range you wish to merge. Once you have done this, it's time to move on to the merging options. You'll find the Merge Cells button on the toolbar. It's easily recognizable, marked by an icon that looks like two rectangles combining into one, symbolizing the merging action we're about to take. With your selected cells highlighted, simply click this button, and it will initiate the merging process. If that icon isn't visible, maybe due to screen layout or toolbar settings, don't worry. There's an alternative method you can use. Navigate to the top menu and click on Format. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Merge Cells. This area provides the same options as the toolbar, so it's a reliable backup method. Now, when you choose to merge, you're presented with a few different types: Merge All, Merge Horizontally, and Merge Vertically. Each of these serves a specific purpose. Let's cover what each type does. The Merge All option is for when you want to combine all the selected cells into a single larger cell. It's perfect for creating a central header or consolidating data into one spot. If you choose Merge Horizontally, the tool will merge the cells along a single row, giving a seamless appearance across your spreadsheet horizontally. Alternatively, Merge Vertically lets you combine cells in one column, making it ideal for vertically stacking data into a single cell, thus freeing up space and increasing readability in a crowded spreadsheet. Finally, there's a crucial point you must remember. Only the data from the top left cell will remain once the merge is complete. This means all other data in the cells you selected will be deleted, so be sure that any important information is preserved beforehand if needed. The merging process essentially clears the other cells, replacing them with the newly formed single cell, so back up any essential information if you need to keep it. With these steps, you can efficiently merge cells in your spreadsheet, helping create neat, organized datasets that are easier to read and present. Take your time to explore these options and see how they can simplify your spreadsheet tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!